Hello, my wonderful kids. Welcome to this video. Today I am at the farm. El día de hoy estoy en la granja. And it's a beautiful rainy day. Y es un día hermoso, muy lluvioso. But I love rainy days. Pero yo amo los días lluviosos. Do you like rainy days? That's great. Genial. So, let's see. Qué bueno que también te gustan los días lluviosos. Now, tell me, do you remember my name? ¿Recuerdas mi nombre? Of course you do. Claro que sí. My name is Abby. That's my name. Ese es mi nombre, Abby. So today I was looking at some beautiful farm animals. El día de hoy yo miraba unos animalitos de la granja muy hermosos. And there's something that I want to share with you. Y hay algo que quiero compartir contigo. I want to share the sounds of the animals with you. Quiero compartir el sonido de los animalitos contigo. Are you ready? Yes? Okay, come on. So, let's see these beautiful, cute farm animals. Veamos estos animalitos súper lindos y bonitos de la granja. Can you tell me the names of the animals? Okay, so come on. Let's go with the first one. Vayamos con el primero. Yo sé que ya lo sabemos porque en videos anteriores ya los hemos practicado. Ok. Cow, sheep, dog. Very good. Pig. Oink oink. Horse. Turkey. Great. Okay, so now there is a question that I want to teach you today. Hay una preguntita que quisiera enseñarte el día de hoy. Así es como nosotros podemos preguntar qué sonido hacen los animales. Yes? Okay, so I want you to repeat with me like you always do. Quiero que repitas conmigo como siempre lo haces. Come on. What does it say? One more time. What does it say? Can we do it with more fluency? ¿Puedes hacerlo con más fluidez? Of course you can. Claro que sí. What does it say? Great. Así preguntamos, ¿cómo hace el animalito? ¿Qué dice? Yes, ¿qué sonido hace? Now let's see how to answer. Veamos cómo responder. It says, it says. Y hacemos el sonido del animal. Okay, let's go with the first one. Let's pick an animal. Escojamos un animalito. Oh, I want to try this one first. Quiero intentar este primero. What does it say? It says oink oink, oink oink. That's great. What about, I want to try this one. What does it say? It says quack, 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 quack. Great job. Okay, what about this one? What does it say? It says bah, bah, bah. That was perfect. Now, come on. I want you to try with me. Vamos, quiero que lo intentes conmigo. Can you make the sound of the animals? ¿Puedes hacer el sonido de los animalitos conmigo? Yes? Okay, come on. I want to hear you. Quiero escucharte. Vamos. What does it say? It says moo, moo, moo. That was great. What about this one? I love this one. What does it say? It says hey, hey, hey. That's right. You sound like a horse. Suenas como un horse de verdad. Okay. And let's go with the last one. What does it say? It says This is very funny. This is muy divertido. Okay, wow, that was perfect. So, now, what if we play this game? ¿Qué te parece si hacemos este juego juntos? I'm gonna make the sound of the animal. Yo voy a hacer el sonido del animal. And you are going to guess. Y tú adivinas qué animalito es. Ready? Okay, this is gonna be so much fun. Va a ser muy divertido. Okay, you have to guess. Tú tienes que adivinar. I want to hear you. Quiero escucharte que me digas el nombre del animalito. Okay? So come on. Hey, hey, hey. Horse. Very good. It is a horse. That's great. Let's go with the next one. Oink, 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 oink. It is a pig. Perfect. Very good. What about this one? Quack, 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 quack. It is a dog. Very good. Now, this is very easy. Este es muy fácil. Moo, moo, moo. That's great. It is a cow. Very good. And what about this one? Very good. It is a turkey. It is a turkey. Very good. Let's see. What about this one? Ba, ba, ba. It is a sheep. Very good. You did it great. Lo hicimos genial. Okay, so come on. Let's practice one more time. Practiquemos una vez más. I'm gonna ask you and you tell me the complete answer, okay? Yo te pregunto y tú me dices la respuesta correcta y completa, okay? Come on. What does it say? Vamos con este. It says ba, ba, ba. Very good. Let's go with the next one. What does it say? It says moo, moo, moo. Great job. Okay, now you do it by yourself. Ahora tú solito, tú puedes. What does it say? Te escucho. Very good. It says nay, nay. Great. What about this one, this cutie? What does it say? It says quack, 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 quack. Great job. Can you try this one? Podemos intentar con este. What does it say? Te escucho. Very good. It says. Very good. And last but not least, what does it say? It says oink 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 oink. That was great. So you did it amazing today. Lo hiciste genial el día de hoy. It was so nice to be here with you. Fue muy agradable y súper bonito estar aquí contigo el día de hoy. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Gracias por estar aquí conmigo el día de hoy. And remember, like this video, vamos a dejarle un like a este video, share this video, comparte este video, and subscribe. Y suscríbete para poder seguir aprendiendo juntos, seguir viéndote todos los días y, por supuesto, seguir divirtiéndonos mucho. I'll see you next time. Te veo hasta la próxima. Bye, bye.